Hello once again, another unboxing for today. Uh-huh. Unboxing. Oh, blue ang bag. Bakit blue? Sirain mo daw. And pakita ko yung nails ko lang. Ayan, aking nails for this month. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. MCM brown. Ganda. May lock and kiss. This is MCM. Ay, meron akong scrunchies. Scrunchies. Ang ganda. Actually, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yan. And then, yung isa naman ay the other one is what's inside the blue bag? Oh, it's another doctor's bag. This is Metro City Ostrich. I have like this. May scrunchies. Ang dami kong ganyan. I have like this. Pakita ko lang. Actually, dalawa na sila. Metro City. Metro. May buckle dyan. And then Metro din. This one is Ostrich. Ito is a quilted leather. This one is Ostrich. Oh, ganda. Ang saya-saya. They are both 25, I think. Ganda. And then, ito actually, meron ako ganito na. I'll show you. Ayan. And then, meron ako cognac. Pareho silang parang dumpling bag. The brown one, cognac, and the light brown. Oh, diba? Saya. I have 3 dumpling MCM bag. Okay. Saya ng life. And that would be all. My only advice is, these are should not be your priority. Pag may extra money ka lang, that's the time you buy. Because I grew up with only one bag. So, naging sa akin, kailangan ko may maraming bag. That's why, nabili ako yan, ganyan. So, thank you to all the sellers. Nagaganda ng mga bags. Thanks and God bless everyone. Hope you will like my vlog. Bye.